Senator Marco Rubio is breaking from Republicans, denouncing Israel's decision to bar two U.S. Congresswomen from entering the country. Representatives Rashida Tlaib and Ilhan Omar are outspoken critics of Israel's treatment of the Palestinians. Rubio blasted the move to bar them from Israel, tweeting this, quote, "I disagree 100% with Reps Tlaib and Omar on Israel and am the author of the anti-Israel boycott bill we passed in the Senate. But denying them entry into Israel is a mistake. Being blocked is what they really hoped for all along in order to bolster their attacks against the Jewish state." The representatives are the first Muslim women elected to Congress. Both had planned to visit the Israeli-occupied West Bank, but the government is barring them on the grounds of their support for the boycott movement. Pro-Palestinian activists are also slamming the decision.
In my belief that the Israeli behavior shows that they are afraid that these two congresswomen will expose to the world the horrible violations of human rights that are conducted against the Palestinian people.
Hours before the announcement, President Trump tweeted, quote, "It would show great weakness if Israel allowed Rep Omar and Rep Tlaib to visit. They hate Israel and all Jewish people, and there is nothing that can be said or done to change their minds. Minnesota and Michigan will have a hard time putting them back in office. They are a disgrace." Omar called the actions by Mr. Trump and Mr. Netanyahu an affront that limited the ability of members of Congress to learn from both Israelis and Palestinians.